Oh, we out here waiting on this damn baddie hole. See what happens out here. Not too many people, but we gonna see. Make the best out of it. All right.
All right.
Stay right there. Stay right there. Get right back there. That's how big his tires are. Little high lift Ranger. That's not nice. It's not nice. You're not nice. Got some Jeeps over there. Which one of them Jeeps would hit the bounty hole? Go on YouTube. Man, that bike would be big if it wasn't sitting next to that other bike. And don't worry, I'll feel your pain. It's a cool little bike right here. Cool little bike. Oh, I like that. I like that. Yeah, I'd rather have some metal one. Look at this fucking turd right here. Look at you. You can't drive.
Hey, you could ask if we need a beer for you.
Yeah. You burn off. I can't even get a dilly out the back of the damn thing before you take out of here.
No problem.
Riding around with strange women. All overnight celebrity out here. PCF Bill. This is Jeff's personal unit. Looking good. Looking cleaned up and spiffed up. Got all the gadgets and gadgets. Looking good. Looking good. Pretty much the same bike as Brandon's got, except 8-inch portals instead of the 6-inch. Couple nice little medium-sized bikes. Couple bigger bikes over here. Rhino. This guy obviously doesn't even brake where he's going. I like it. No brakes on the front. All right, we got the bounty hole. Fresh dilly. These turds next to me.
What's that? That's my forearm.
But I'm 13.
Whole bunch of guys. We got number 1 going right now.
That's what I'm saying, exactly.
Oh yeah. He going in? We're gonna test the waters right here or what? Nothing wrong with an 8-point turn. The little Honda got in his way. He's gonna be my little monkey. I figure he can get a good run start off that dry shit right there. Look at you with the fancy setup, boy.
I don't like holding cock.
I'm used to holding it, you know what I mean?
Let's hold that clip. Let's hold that clip. Damn, that motherfucker. He done dug that.
That's crispy, huh?
Hey, Johnny.
Hey, that axle ain't turning right there. This wheel never. Woo! Woo!
Hell smoking.
You in 4? Is he in 4? It's a half of a steak. How we feeling? Number 2? Feeling like a number 2?
I feel like I got my seat in gangster position.
You can have that. No, he gonna send the 4. He said, "Fuck it." Easy, easy, Tiger.
I don't even drink, but yeah.
Boy, hey, Po power. Oh, it's smoking and shit. Is it done? Did it shut off on its own?
Yeah, it shut off. He said it's gone.
You need
I had that bitch to the floor the whole time.
Hey, you made it through it, baby. Good job.
Hell yeah. Oh, you good? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, it don't sound super awesome, but it started. He's still in two-wheel drive. Put it in four-wheel drive. Oh. Oh.
Pull him out. Hey, those girls' panties out there.
You gave her hell.
Hey, you tried it. Hell yeah. Cold beer. Get him a cold beer.
Get it.
Cold beer for Charlie.
Everybody needs a cold beer.
Hell, amen.
That's two-wheel drive right there, baby. Two-wheel drive. Oh! It didn't pop out of gear. I don't think it popped out of gear. He back up, back up. Let it eat. Wow, wow, wow. Here comes Jeff. Hey, Johnny, at least Jeff ain't gonna let you go backwards.
Your rear did blow up?
Yeah, I think it was in a bind. I think it was in a bind.
I'm gonna go turn my Good morning, Jeff. You hear me then?
Yeah. Whoa! I was gonna say you in neutral, but I don't think it really matters at this point. Yeah, they weren't moving, and something was popping crazy up there. You got it. Jeff's such an asshole. He gonna get the music right before he starts spilling. Hey, Jeff, go give you some music while I pull you out. You gonna hook the tractor up to it?
Yeah, I think it's
Is that portal locked up on the other side? Oh, they about to pull them out for show now. I was gonna say I'll go get my bike, but I only got 3 wheels too. Who won? Hey, Johnny was pretty fucking close though, right?
He got second, yeah.
I was surprised. He came through there pretty goddamn good, man. Oh yeah! 0 fucks were given on this pull out. Yep. No, it's the shaft and the motor, I bet, is broke. The axle didn't break because they turners. Oh. Oh. You gonna remember that in the morning. Put it in 4-wheel drive. Hey, you got 4-wheel drive?
It ain't full of the tires. I guess I got water in my belt.
No, I think that's coming out the exhaust. I don't think that's fucking.